After being arrested, Revanna now being brought to the CID office here. This is where the SIT, of course, has been sitting. You can see, of course, the car that has just gone inside, and more importantly, he was even taken to the Bowring Hospital for a medical checkup. Now, at this point in time, since the arrest, of course, has come in only late in the evening today, the SIT does have about 24 hours before they have to produce him before the magistrate. And considering the interim bail plea, of course, has been rejected, right now the only recourse legally that Mr. Revanna has is to wait till Monday. That's when the actual bail hearing will be happening. But at this point in time, the trouble is only mounting as far as Mr. H.D. Revanna is concerned. There are 2 FIRs that have been, of course, registered where he has been named as the prime accused in both of these cases. One is a case pertaining to sexual assault. The other is for kidnap. Now, at this point in time, what we are picking up is that he will spend his entire night at the CID office itself. 2 mattresses as well have been brought in. So a lot of developments taking place, even as a search for Prajwal Revanna, his son, continues.
Now, reacting to the arrest of JDS MLA, Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah said they are not interfering and police is doing its job, while Congress claims that law is taking its own course. Listen in.
ನಾನು ಪೊಲೀಸ್ನವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕೇಳಿದೆ, ನಾವು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಟರ್ಫಿಯರ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಯಾಕಂತ ಕಾನೂನು ರೀತಿಯ ಕ್ರಮ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಅವರು ಆಂಟಿಸಿಪೇಟರಿ ಬೇಲ್ ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಂತೆ, ಯಾವುದೋ ಕಿಡ್ನಾಪ್ ಕೇಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಆಂಟಿಸಿಪೇಟರಿ ಬೇಲ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಲಿಲ್ಲ, ವಜಾ ಆಗೋಯ್ತು ಅವ್ರ ಆಂಟಿಸಿಪೇಟರಿ ಬೇಲ್. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಕಸ್ಟಡಿ ತಗೊಂಡಿರ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ನಾ ಇನ್ನ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ನವ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಮಾತಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೆ, ಪೊಲೀಸ್ನವ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಮಾತಾಡಿ.
ಸರ್, ಮಾಜಿ ಸಚಿವ CS ಪುಟ್ಟರಾಜ್ ಅವರು ಮಾತನ್ನ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸರ್. ಈಗ ಪ್ರಜ್ವಲ್ ರೇವಣ್ಣ ಅವರು ನೇರವಾಗಿ ಕೋರ್ಟಿಗೆ ಬಂದು ಸರೆಂಡರ್ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಪುಟ್ಟರಾಜ್ ಅವರು, ಮಾಜಿ MLA, ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸರ್. ಪುಟ್ಟರಾಜ್ ಮಾಜಿ MLA, ಮೇಲ್ಕೋಟೆ ವಿಧಾನಸಭಾ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರ, ಮೇಲುಕೋಟೆ
ಅವರು ಲಾಯರ,
JDS
ಲಾಯರ್ ಅವರು
ಪ್ರಜ್ವಲ್ ರೇವಣ್ಣ
ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಪೊಲೀಸ್ನವ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀನಿ.
ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಜಾರಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಸರ್.
I am not aware of it. The law will take its own course.
Yes, sir. What are the efforts of bringing back Prajwal?
For more on this, we are being joined by Imran. Imran, the victim was rescued from the aid of H.D. Revanna's house, and now H.D. Revanna can only apply for legal relief tomorrow.
Well, absolutely. That's the victim was rescued from a farmhouse in Hunsur, belonging to the close aid of H.D. Revanna. And in this particular case, which is registered at KR Nagar Police Station, Mysore, H.D. Revanna has been taken into custody. Yesterday around 7 p.m. after the court rejected his bail application, he was taken into custody from former Prime Minister H.D. Devegowda's residence in Bengaluru, and he was brought to the SIT. Later, he was taken to the Bowring Hospital for medical checkup. And as we speak, he was in custody till now, and his questioning will resume today, and is mostly likely to be produced before the magistrate to seek police custody for 7 to 14 days. What will happen in the court, we have to wait and see. But H.D. Revanna has been taken into custody over this case, kidnapping case in Mysuru. Important point is now what is the Prajwal Revanna's update, where he will, when he will be surrender is what we have to we see, because already the SIT says that there is no question of surrender. He'll be arrested immediately as he comes, because he has not turned up twice when the lookout notice was issued to him, and the SIT is also lookout circulars as issued internationally that he's an absconder, and as soon as he arrives in Bangalore, he'll be arrested. We are getting to understand that his team is preparing a legal battle for him, and to ensure that as soon as he comes, they will move before bail application before his arrest. But unlikely that to happen, considering that his status is in absconding right now. The other 2 cases are there where both father and son have been accused. The first FIR registered was in Hole Narsipur, where H.D. Revanna was accused number 1 and Prajwal was accused number 2.
Right. Thank you, Imran. Just stay with us. We are also tracking how the BJP is reacting to this political turmoil. While sharpening the attack at the Congress, State BJP President B.Y. Vijendra alleged that Congress is connecting Prime Minister and BJP with the incident for vote bank politics. Listen in.
जो गलती किया है उसको भुगतना पड़ेगा। स्पेशली कांग्रेस इधर राज्य के मुख्यमंत्री और उप मुख्यमंत्री बार बार इस विषय में केंद्र सरकार को जोड़ने की कोशिश कर रहा है, बार बार इस विषय को मोदी जी को जोड़ने के लिए कोशिश कर रहा है। इसलिए कांग्रेस लगातार कोशिश कर रहा है वो प्रज्वल रेवन्ना के मामले में पूरा राज्य में पूरा इश्यू बनाने के लिए सोच रहा है। लेकिन जहाँ तक बीजेपी का स्टैंड है, लेट मी क्लियर वंस अगेन, आवर स्टैंड इज़ वेरी क्लियर। Bharatiya Janata Party will not support any such incidents and will not support Prajwal Revanna in this issue. Our Home Minister also stated clearly on this particular issue.
Now on the other...
Kane sir, your dinner.
On a tile? Arey, it's antibacterial.
Scratch resistant also.
The plates? Kane bhai, it's a tile ad.
IM Plus टेक्नोलॉजी से बने वर्ल्ड क्लास टाइल्स। टाइल हो तो सिंपल हो।